This video has very little to do with healthy recipes and health. It is actually a fun activity that your kids will like, and they would start loving growing and eating organic, healthy, natural foods. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma Mahmood, and for our fun activity we need some seeds. I am taking black wheat seeds. You can take any other seeds like regular wheat, peas, or even moong dal. Anything that your kids will love spilling and you will not worry about it later. Anyway, I am using black wheat so that we can make wheatgrass juice later. You have to soak the seeds overnight and leave them overnight covered with a cheesecloth or a tissue paper like this. Take about 1 tablespoon of Orbeez balls. Orbeez balls are available in many colors. Choose your kid's favorite color and put it in a transparent container like this. Now fill the container with water, and in about 2 to 3 hours they will swell up to about 10 times of its size. Your kids will love it. Once you have soaked your Orbeez balls, take out your seeds and your kids will shriek with happiness when they will see small white germination points on each of the seeds. Just drain out the water and spread the seeds on the Orbeez balls. Now you don't have to water it for a week. Just cover your container with a lid or with a piece of cloth and leave it overnight in a dark place. Next morning when you open your box, you will see that seeds have germinated more. From now on, you don't have to put it in a dark place. You can keep it in your windowsill and enjoy your Orbeez balls and your seeds growing in the Orbeez balls. And I know many of you will say, why would we grow seeds in plastic? It is not healthy. I admit that. But the thing is, your kids need some fun activity, and these look beautiful once they are in the windowsill. And you can see in the bigger container, me and my nieces, we arranged the Orbeez balls in layers. You can use any colored layers that you want. And after 7 days, you will see that grass is growing tall. And now you can either enjoy the grass or you can make wheatgrass juice out of it. The beauty of Orbeez balls is you will not have to water it. It is less messy and there are no insects on Orbeez balls. And I admit, if you compare the nutritional profile of wheatgrass juice with any other greens like moringa, wheatgrass juice will not have a very fantastic nutritional profile. But I assure you, if you turn growing this wheatgrass into a fun activity with your kids, they will love seeing it grow, and once it has grown, they will love cutting it out and putting it either in some water or some juice and drinking this wheatgrass juice. Because anything you grow or you cook yourself has a taste like none other. In fact, you can harvest your wheatgrass 2 times more after cutting it once. And you can add any other sweetener if you like. You can add a sweetener, you can add a honey, you can even add some lemon. And you can see the color of this wheatgrass juice is wonderful. And I promise you, your kids will love drinking it. And today if they drink this wheatgrass juice powder, tomorrow they might drink moringa powder also. So let me know in the comment section below, did you try this fun activity with your kids and did they love this project? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.